India, the land of colors, the land of spices, the biggest democracy in the world, and all those things you might have heard before. India is filled with its magical people, and today we are going to see the journey of a magical lady named Chilkapalli Annasuyama, who has covered 1200 acres of wastelands into forest. This is Brain Thoughts. She lives in village Pastapur in the Indian state of Telangana. At the age of 20, she was going on with financial difficulties and was looking for a job being uneducated. At this time, she heard of DDS, Deccan Development Society, an NGO based in her village. DDS carried out crop improvement programs and dealt with drought issues. With the NGO's mission on large scale afforestation to eradicate water scarcity, she decided that this is her life's main purpose. There was no permanent water resources, so they had to walk miles away to bring water. Dealing with such problems was very difficult, so they immediately started afforestation in the village. With the support of other locals, she formed a team which was dedicated to serve her motherland. Trees improved the soil water absorption quality, leading to the rise in groundwater table. With the spreading awareness in her village, people got to know about its benefits and planted trees too. Each person was allowed to plant 50 trees a day. After planting a tree, the people were allowed to use its fruits, flowers, and other produces, which came as an economical help too. For further large-scale afforestation, PRA, per risk analysis, was done in order to see which tree suits the particular soil. All total of 92 varieties of trees and plants were grown under the leadership of Chilkapalli Annasuyama. As if a single tree was grown on a large scale and a plant disease catches it, then the whole forest could be destroyed. After hard work of around 25 years, she has covered 1200 acres of land under forest cover. Over a span of 22 villages, afforestation was conducted and a total of 2 million trees were planted. Due to this extraordinary work, she and her team was rewarded with the UNESCO's Equator Prize. Now let's talk about the impacts. Due to this noble work, flora and fauna flourished in that area, population of birds and animals ballooned. Rise of the groundwater table. Due to the increased rainfall and soil's ability to absorb water, which they got by afforestation, now the groundwater table is uplifting and water resources may or have built up. Each year that forest will release 52 crore pounds of oxygen into the atmosphere and will remove 3,120 tons of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Now that's a significant amount. Increased soil fertility. The land which was barren till now has regained the ability to hold water, ability to absorb water, to produce nutrients and maintain organic matter in the soil. So, this is the story of the magical lady.